I tried it.
Okay.
Now for the A.
Yeah. Next. Letter A. Very good.
No, it's W.
W. Good job. Next.
Helps treat nerve damage at the root.
Oh, look. Agi bata. Very good.
L.
Yeah. Next one. Letter A here.
E.
Big A.
A big E.
Yeah. Tira ning anak ka eh. Big E.
It's just raw. It's not like this.
Okay, that is okay. Okay, letter E. Small is na. Small. Oh, kanina tag-agis bata. Next. C. Very good. Okay. Drink water later.
A vitamin.
Oh, vitamin C. I forgot. Vitamin C. Very good.
A giant big L.
Okay, another F.
Another L.
Very good.
E.
Small E. Okay. And then next. Very good. Here, big G.
A big G again.
Okay, big G again. Good job. Next,
G A.
small A.
A big G.
Small A. Very good.
A
Next,
small B.
small A. C. Pagay din B. Oh, B daw. Very good. Small B.
B. That's A.
Yeah, small B. Small B. Okay, next.
And what is that?
I. Oh, I. Next. Is O. Is O. Is O. Oh, you put there na.
No, it's a O.
Yeah, oh, you put another one here. Circle.
Let me erase
You
it.
put yung iris. Ang gani mo, be. Sige na.
Let me erase it.
Okay, that's enough na. Okay. Still running boto. Okay.
It's squeaky.
Is letter O.
A
Okay.
giant big O.
Yo, a giant big O. Small N. Yay! Up here. We're done now. That's all, guys. That's all, guys.
There's a name where?
You want to write again? This one? Small here.
There's a name right there.
Yeah. Must be.